Hi, welcome to another office hours session with me, Steve Worswick. Today I've been asked to take a look at how we can use condition to check more than one predicate. It's easy enough to do with one, but how would we do that with more than one? So just to demonstrate, I've just set up a couple of quick categories here, like a little room booking system. So let's just see how that works. So if we just say, I would like to book room, I don't know, 10. Sure, what day do you want to book for room? Tuesday. Yeah, okay, so what it's done there is it's set up a predicate called room and set to room 10, the day is set to Tuesday. How can we then check that Tuesday is free in room 10? Okay, so let's, after this, we'll make a little category called check availability. Just insert a new category. Check availability. Okay, now we know how to do conditions. So condition, oops. What are we checking for? So let's check for the room number to start with. Room. Oops, oh dear. So if it's equal to room, let's say 11. Yes, that room is available. Or if it's, let's say, room 12. Sorry, room 12 is undergoing maintenance, let's say, something like that. Okay, so let's check again. So I would like to book room 12. What day? I don't know, Friday. Yep, so it's picked up that. Now, let's say we did choose room 11. How can we then check that that's available on Friday? Okay, now what we can do is underneath here, underneath the li, we can nest the conditions. We can put more than one. So once it's checked that room is equal 11, let's also check that the day is equal to Friday. Let's say value equals Friday. Actually, we can say sorry, room 11 is always booked out on Friday. Oops, yeah, otherwise we can say like this. Yes, room 11 is available on name equals day. Okay, now just need to finish off that list. Yep, so let's try that. Okay, so I would like to book room 11. Okay, sure, what day do you want the room? Now let's just say we want it on Friday. Hopefully this should drop down to here. Sorry, room 11 is booked out on Friday, so it's recognised that we've booked 11 on Friday. Let's try another one. I'd like to book room 11. Okay, but this time I want it for Tuesday. Yep, room 11's available. Okay, so you can kind of do it like that. Maybe a little messy though at the moment, because you know it's getting a bit hard to see. So how I would do it, rather than that, I would do it slightly differently. So I'm going to I'll keep that category, but let's make another one. So check availability. We'll call this one check availability new. Now this is how I would do it. So check availability new. Now rather than having nested conditions, it's going to start getting a bit messy, you see, especially if you had room 11 on a Tuesday and a Wednesday. So what I would do is I would put both predicates together. Okay, so let's just say set name equals check, and we'll put get name equals room, then a space, and get name equals day. Yeah, and now we can check on that using our condition. Name equals check. Okay, so now we can put all the different versions, you see. So I'd say room 11 on Friday. Sorry, room 11 is always booked out on Friday. Okay, so we can have room 11 star any other day. Oh, might as well copy and paste, say reinventing the wheel. There we go, so room available is available then. Or we could have, let's say, room, or any other room on a Friday. Maybe something like that. So we could say Friday would be good, but we only have room 11 at the moment. Yep, so you can kind of do stuff like that. So let's see if that works. Okay, so let's do the same again. So I would like to book room 11. Sure, what day do you want the room? Friday. Now, on Friday it's booked out, so there we go. Sorry, room 11 is always booked out on Friday. Do you see now though, we've just made a predicate called check, which has 11 and Friday, has the room and the day. You can check it that way, you see. So let's try again. I would like to book room 12 Friday. Yeah, Friday would be good, but we only have room 11 because it's made 12 and Friday, which matches that, you see. So the final test, what do you want the room? Wednesday. Yeah, room 11 is available on Wednesday because it goes there. Yeah, now that's how I would do multiple conditions, because as I said, that gets really messy really quickly, especially if you wanted extra question, instead of what day do you want the room, then do you want any refreshments, do you want a projector in there, and all this kind of thing. It's going to start getting pretty impossible, and although that might seem fairly straightforward now, when you come back to that in a few weeks or months, it'll start to look a bit messy, whereas this one, it's just got a nice list of everything that we're checking. Okay, so I hope that answers your questions about multiple conditions, nested conditions. As I say, I would tend to use the second method. It's up to you, but that would be my advice. Okay, so I hope that was useful for you, and see you in the next session. Bye.